Welcome to our annual function 2021. The reason of our smile is you. Thank you for helping us in lockdown by giving us ration.
Hello everyone, I am Rabia. Would you like to meet our Udaya students? So let's look on different people and let's listen their journey to Udaya. How they have learned and how far they come. Hello everyone, I am Rabia. I complete my 6th standard from Government Girls Senior Secondary School and I came in Udaya in 2018 July 11th and I have joined it when I am in 4th standard. Now I learn many things from many people. For example, from Bhabi I learned moral but motivation from Sanjay sir. And how to live happy I learned from Suraj Bhaiya, and there were many teachers as well. I like to study English. It is my favorite subject. I go to Udaya to read and speak English. I love to go there because when we go there we get too much knowledge and meet our lovely teacher Rakhi Bhabi. She is so beautiful and intelligent too. I think Udaya is so helpful for us. We eat, drink, study and just prayer too as well. And during COVID it was a difficult time for us and people were helping us through out various things they are filling our needs to sew. That was a brilliant thing. I got stuff because I don't have books and everything which I needed for all that Bhabi helped us by giving ration books etc. So thank you Bhabi and everybody who helps us in this pandemic. Thank you.
Good evening, Bhabi. I'm Ruchi. I'm a student of Udaya. I'm telling about Udaya. Udaya, how I like Udaya. I like Udaya very much, and the prayer that come in Udaya is also very nice. It's since that I have come to school. Everyone in Udaya speak English. It's also nice, and do see that they help each other in Udaya. Everyone live together in Udaya. Bhabis help us Lord, she is a very good and kindly person. Even at the time COVID-19, Bhabi gives us ration which are our things which we need. Thank you.
My name is Resma. I am a student of 7th class in Udaya. I love story books. Udaya's teachers are very good.
Hello everyone. My name is Asmin and recently I have completed my 10th grade from Onuswali Government School. And now I'm going to share my journey of Udaya. So it has been 2.5 years with Udaya because in September 2018 I have joined when I was in 8th standard. And now I learned many things from different people. For example, I learned moral from Bhabi. I got motivation from Sanjay sir, and how to live happy I learned from Suraj Bhaiya. And there were many other teachers as well. So during COVID, like that was a difficult time for us, and people were helping us throughout various things. They were filling our needs. So that was a brilliant thing. I got stuff and the books and everything whatever I was needing. So thank you very much people for helping us, and thank you very much.
Everyone, my name is Meera. I am 9 years old. When I was not to go to Udaya, then I can't speak properly English. And when I go to Udaya, Then I can speak properly English. And Udaya helped me by giving food, clothes, and books. Thank you. And I love Udaya.
Good evening everyone. My name is Anita Chopal. Today I like to share some information about me. I am wife of Mr. Arjun Chopal. I have 2 daughters. Still I am student of Udaya, and in my journey childhood I didn't chance to study, but still chance to me to study. Thank you Rakhi ma'am, and thank you Udaya. I'm before joining the Udaya, I didn't speak English, didn't write, didn't reading. Still I little bit reading, study English, and speak also little bit, but not properly. During this day coronavirus, everyone facing problem. I am also facing problem, health issue, and my husband lost his job, but I thought how to survive this problem. But Rakhi ma'am give foods and clothes, and she gives help. I am so happy to help, and I need she give. And thank you Udaya, thank you ma'am, thank you so much.
My name is Radha. I am a student of Udaya. I like to go Udaya so much. I love Bhabhi and other teachers. Thank you Bhabhi.
My name is Rosni. I am a student of Udaya. I like to go Udaya so much. It is so helpful for us. I love Bhabhi and my other teachers. To us is Udaya. Thank you Bhabhi.
My name is Pinky Arya. I am a health coach. I am 44-year-old. I was trying to find someone to coach or guide me. I thanks to Udaya who helped to improve my skill and knowledge. Especially thanks to Mrs. Rakhi and Sanjay sir, and also all teachers and students. I miss Udaya's all activities. Thank you.
My name is Radha Rani Chopal. I am 11 years old. I like to study in Udaya. I learn English in Udaya. There are so many books in Udaya. When Udaya is open, our teacher came and teach us. Thank you.
Good evening Bhabhi. My name is Meenakshi. I am 9 years old. I study in 4th class. My school name is Little Star Public School. My father name is Mukesh Kumar and my mother name is Sarkis Devi. I live in the Kolkata Extension, New Delhi. I love English. My teacher name is Pooja.
So you have seen about our Udaya students and how is their journey, and they have come to Udaya and how far they will come from their home. So let's see.
Now presenting the dance videos of our annual function. So let's start. Let's start with Bhangra dance on Mohe Mohe Tu Rang De Basanti. Girls' name are Sneha and Sagun.
Tandav with Mahi Singh.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादवट्टमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि ढगढगज्ज्वलल्ललाट कट्टपावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणम्
Let's see Pratibha and Prachi's dance on Kanha So Ja Jara.
मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मोही मोही ऐसे नहीं छेड़ो सावरे सुन सुन से नहीं खेलो दावरे जाके यशोदा से कह दूंगी रे कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा लुक छुप के तकियों ना मुझे कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा नैनों से ना छूना मुझे कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा.
Now coming Asma, Nazma and Simi with the dance on Kinna Sona Desh Hai Mera. Let's see Rabia's dance on Say No to Plastic.
सब ये खाए रे
Let's enjoy the dance on Desh Mera Rangila from Vishakha and Sanjana.
हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, धोनी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है नीली चादर तारे अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी नदी समंदर है देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश
Let's see dance Meera के प्रभु गिरधर नागर with Anjali Sarkar.
मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर राधा के मन मोहना राधा दिन श्रृंगार करे और मीरा बन गई जोगना.
Now Meenakshi is going to present the dance on Desh Mera Rangila.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है नीली चादर ताने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है देश गीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला.
Now Anita, Sunita and Nandini's dance on Teri Mitti Mein Manjama.
सलवार दिए अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है ऐ मेरी ज़िंदगी अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सही महफूज रही तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रही न रही मेरी ज़मीन महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क है ठिकाना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे तेरी आंख कभी भी नम न हो मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका जाला कम ना हो ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
Now this is our last dance on Desh Mera Rangila with Priyanka.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे
about fun facts. We all hear about heart. Let's some knowledge about heart. Your heart is about the same size as your fist. It's a wonderful knowledge. Let's more fun facts. Cat has 32 muscles in each ear.
Do you know that rainbows are not formed only from the sun, but also moon and fog, which are called moonbow and fogbow?
A 20-second hug releases chemical in the body that help you trust in the you are hugging.
Jupiter and Saturn are the planets where it rains diamonds. The reason is there's a lot of carbon in the environment. And when lightning strikes, the carbon turns into graphite. And it rains diamond due to atmosphere pressure.
Is the rank contains vitamin B12.
Researchers set a new record with an experimental fusion reactor. It was nearly 10 times hotter than the sun for 101 seconds. The artificial sun is a part of an international energy project.
It's a wonderful knowledge. Let's more fun facts. Caterpillar have 12 eyes.
The world's smallest reptile was first reported in 2021.
First person convicted of seeding was 8 mph.
Hello everyone, my name is Komal. Did you know trees remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and replace it with oxygen? Thank you.
Cat is grass and can produce milk.
They are the only fruits with seeds on the outside. Festivals like Diwali and Dussehra celebrate the victory of good over evil.
India is the world's second largest English speaking country.
Start. What you always want to know about the human body.
Entire world pollution could be done at Los Angeles.
There are more life forms on your body than people on earth.
You are tallest first thing in the morning. Fake smile can hurt you.
Leech is only the animal who has 32 brains. Our brain is 3 times larger than a gorilla's brain.
Octopus have 3 hearts.
Very knowledge meant.
Let's more fun facts.
More bacteria in the human mouth than there are people in the world.
Babies only blink once or twice in a minute, while adults average 10 times in a minute.
All these fun facts were so interesting. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now it's time to watch plays. So are you ready? So we have first play on girls' education. Let's watch it together.
Tomorrow I have exam in my school. It's important to study for me.
First clothes are important, not your study.
Okay, Mama, I will do.
Next morning.
Update anybody here in the home.
Where are you? Oh, you are sitting here. I am searching you everywhere. What are you doing here all day only studying? Go there, wash all the clothes. Yes, I am coming.
We have your letter first, please letter here.
What is signature? I don't know.
Have you not going to school? Have you not studied ever?
Yes, I have not gone to school and I have not studied ever.
शिक्षा जीवन का आधार, इसके बिना जीना बेकार.
Then put fingerprint here.
What has written here? How I read it? I have to show this to anyone else. Hey, Roshni Di, come here please.
Yes, Rabia Di.
You know how to read, so please tell me that what I have written here in this letter.
Oh yes, I have studied till 2 classes. Didi, in this have written so little, so I am going to take my statistical weight. I am coming.
After 1 hour. So much time has gone, but Roshni has not come. Where's she gone? I think I have to show this to anyone another. Hey Parvati, please read this letter for me.
Oh yes, I have studied till 4th class. Didi, my phone is ringing, so this to anyone else.
What I do? Who will read this letter?
Knock knock. Will anybody hear?
Yes, I am coming. Come inside, Dee.
Oh, can you please give me a sugar?
Yes, but you please read this letter for me.
Oh, yes, I have studied till 3rd class. Didi, in this have written in English. I can't understand, but in this have a bad news. Oh, you please give me a sugar.
Tomorrow postman will come. He can only tell me that what I have written here in this letter.
Coming, Mama, where are you?
Oh dear, when do you come?
Now only. But where is your mind? What is in your hand? Show me.
It's a letter I have got from morning. But till now I don't know what is the news.
Oh, you don't take tension. I know to read. I will tell you. Nani ji has sent this letter to us. Nana ji and Nani ji are give us so many blessings and love.
Oh dear, you have shown me that study is so important. Now you can study. How much do you want?
Thank you very much, Mama.
बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ.
Hurry up, let's not be late. Yes, you are right.
But also call Priya and then go to school together.
Okay.
Priya's house.
Anyone home? Yes. What happened? Uncle, where is Priya? Won't she go to school?
Uncle, tell us.
No, she won't go to school. She will go with me at work.
Okay, Uncle, we are going.
Friends, walk fast. We are already late.
In the school.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning, teacher.
Very good morning. I am going to take attendance. Simmi, Nazma, Radha, Sama and Priya. Today we will read about right against exploitation.
What right is it? Please tell us, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So the right against exploitation prohibits all form of forced labor, child labor and trafficking of human beings. The children under the age of 14 are not allowed to work. Ma'am, but Priya is only 9 years old, and why does her father take her to work? What? Yes, ma'am, she is right. Priya is child like us, but she does work with her father. Oh, that's why Priya was not coming to school for so many days. Okay, it's 12 o'clock. Dispersal time. Bye, ma'am.
Teacher's house.
Now I should call to Priya's father.
Phone is ringing.
Hello, who is speaking? I am Priya's teacher. Are you her father? Yes. Why Priya is not coming to school for so many days? Because she is sick. No, you are speaking lie. I know you take her to work. Yes, I take her to work. It is wrong. Don't you know the right of against exploitation? What are you talking about? I am talking about the right against exploitation. Means the children under the age of 14 are not allowed to work. What? Yes, under this right you can also be punished because it is crime. I am really sorry. Please forgive me. Now I will send my daughter to school every day. May I talk to Priya? Of course. Why not?
How are you, ma'am?
Beta, I am good. What about you?
I am fine. Thank you, ma'am, for understanding my dad.
We get this education from this play that we should not work to young children. Small children should be given education instead of work.
That was nice. For knowing the guidelines of COVID-19, let's watch another play.
Hey Shalu, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am also fine. What are you doing?
I am reading an article about coronavirus.
I don't know much about coronavirus. Will you share some information with me?
Of Of course, why not? Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe disease such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome.
Is there anything else I need to know?
Obviously, the new strain of coronavirus which causes disease, that is COVID-19, was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, and has spread globally.
What are the symptoms of COVID-19? I know only a few.
The most common symptoms of coronavirus are fever, cold, and shortness of breath. Apart from these, symptoms like fatigue, sore throat, muscle pain, and loss of taste or smell can also be seen in coronavirus patients.
What is the treatment of COVID-19?
Isolate the sick person in a separate room for 14 days. No other family member should come into contact with him. Keep the room well ventilated. The food can be kept outside the room and he will take it himself. He should wear a medical mask when he opens the door and even when he talks to anyone else in the family. He should clean his own clothes and utensils too.
14 days of isolation and that too when you're ill. Sounds scary. Can we take some safety measures instead?
Yes dear, prevention is always better than cure. Listen to me carefully. The use of vitamin C, Glowy tablet and Tulsi drop are useful for increasing immunity. We can stay away from an epidemic like corona by maintaining safe distance of 1 meter from people when you are outside. The most important point to remember is whenever you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth with a tissue and throw it in a closed dustbin immediately. Clean your hands often using soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Always wear a medical mask when you go outside. It should cover your mouth and nose completely.
I will certainly follow what you have said.
Do you know about vaccination drive which is going on?
I don't know anything about the vaccination drive. Can you tell me about this too?
There are two vaccinations to prevent corona. The vaccination name is Covaxin and Covishield.
Who all can get vaccinated?
All people above 18 can get vaccinated.
How can we get the vaccination?
You have to register online for the vaccination and when you get the slot, you must visit the vaccination center and get vaccinated.
Thanks for information. I am so proud to have a friend. I am really grateful to you.
It's my pleasure. You may meet me anytime for any other information.
Thank you. I have to go now. Bye.
You are welcome. Bye. Take care.
Yay! My online class is over. Today's Saturday. That is tomorrow's holiday for me. I can go and play with my friends.
No, God you will see, but we cannot go out to play.
But why? Our neighbors and we are fine.
Dear, I can understand your feeling, beta. Since this pandemic situation is, we cannot go out to play with your friends. You can play with your sister.
Oh no! Dee, what happened here? Why are you looking sad? I want to go outside to play with my friends. But Mom is not allowing me. I know, dear, but Mom is right. We all have to face this pandemic, so we cannot go outside to play. I can understand you, but I don't have cough cold or sneeze. That's why I can go out to play. I know, Tanu, you don't have cough cold or sneeze, but
Today I saw news and saw this pandemic people have to face more problems. Just like me. No, Tanu, I am saying about those people who don't have food to eat. I think we should help them if we are able to help.
For those people.
Last year I was collecting my pocket money in my piggy bank. I have it. I think we should do something with that.
Can you explain me, Myra, what we do with that money?
I will give all money to my mom and then Mama can buy some snacks and food and distribute those people who are helpless.
Wait, Andrea, we have to learn more than things in this COVID pandemic. Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others. Thank you.
Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others.
Environment is everything for human being, and how it is beneficial. For this, you have to watch video. So let's watch it together.
I am ready. I am going to take environment protection Act 1986. Environmental protection is celebrated for plant and tree protection. At this time, the environment was pure and tree give pure air, food and vegetable पर्यावरण का रखो ध्यान, तभी बनेगा देश महान.
I am 2000. I am telling about environment condition in 2000. Environment is an integral part of human's life. Life cannot be made without it. Humans cut tree and plant together for their own purpose. The forests are being destroyed by the earth. The life of the coming generation is in deep crisis. Listen to the call of nature. Do not destroy the tree plant. Plant tree, save the earth. गली गली में पेड़ लगाओ, हर प्राणी में आस जगाओ. I am 2010. I am telling about environmental condition in 2010. The environment was getting polluted at this time. Human was harvesting plants. Man was constantly playing with the environment. The result was poison in the air. The harmful smoke was polluting the air daily. पर्यावरण का मत करो शोषण, यही करती है जीवों का पोषण. We are going to do a small play, so let's start. I am environment. Oh man, you have destroyed my 3 sons.
Your 3 sons are my slaves. Do you want to see how? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere, give me petrol and diesel.
I am lithosphere. You have used my petrol and diesel before only.
Hydrosphere, give me pure water. Oh, your water is so dirty, I can't drink it.
You destroyed my water before only from throwing dust.
Atmosphere, give me pure air. Oh, your air is so dirty, I can't breathe nicely.
You are the one who poisoned me.
I am
Or the one who poisoned me.
I am environment. Oh man, I am ending. जन जन को अब होश मिलाना, पर्यावरण को अब हमें बचाना.
I am 2015. I am going to tell environmental condition in 2015. धरती माँ करे पुकार, अब और न करो अत्याचार. Earth, fire, water, air, sky was made just for you. And you exploit them. Epidemic diseases are born to imbalance of earth 5 elements. It is so hot that human leather is burning. Body colors are become colorless. Nobody can breathe. The earth was not fertile. Animals, birds are disappearing. This is disasters. Just as there are no trees, plants on other planets, and the environment unbalanced, life will not survive on Earth as well. पेड़ काट के मत बनो हीरो, यही बनाती तुमको जीरो.
पर्यावरण से नाता जोड़ो, बीमारियों से मुंह मोड़ो. हम सबका नारा है, पर्यावरण रक्षा कर्तव्य हमारा है. In 2021, man made so much progress that 5G entered this generation. With the advent of 5G, human technology has become fast.
पेड़ों को तुम काट रहे हो, पर तुम सबको पाल रहे हो. क्यों इस जीवन को है मानव तुम संकट में डाल रहे हो। जो पेड़ तुम्हें जीवन देते तुम उन्हीं का जीवन लेते हो। यूं ही पेड़ों को काटोगे तो स्वच्छ हवा को तरसोगे।
So, take your vaccine, stay home, stay safe. I pray to God that COVID-19 will leave from our earth. Thank you.
Do you know how you can live happy or how it can be possible? So for knowing this, you need to watch video. So please start it.
Can you make an idol of God for me?
Why not? I can make an idol of God for you. Let's make the idol from this stone. Are you feeling pain?
Oh, please don't beat me. I am feeling pain. Please leave me.
Okay. Are you feeling pain?
Yes, I am feeling pain, but you can do your work.
I have done my work of making idol.
Do you have making the idol?
Yes, it is ready here.
Can I take the stone?
Yes, you can take this stone. It's none of my business, but what will you do with it?
When people will go down to the idol and worship it, then the stone will be used to break the coconut.
Why so much pain?
See me! Everyone is saluting me and breaking coconuts on you. If you bear the pain first, it would not have hurt so much. I suffered pain for 2 years. You will suffer pain for whole life. The future can be built by sacrificing today, or the future can be sacrificed by building today.
The higher the test, the more wonderful you will get.
You will have to pay the price for everything. Pay the price today and take rest for rest of your life. Or if you take rest today, then pay the price for rest of your life with trouble.
Carelessness is the biggest problem for everything. For knowing it how, let's watch video together. We live in India and parents are gone for work and they haven't returned back to India because of lockdown.
Hey, Grandpa! Congratulations for your good year!
Grandpa, how do you want to celebrate your this achievement?
I would like to invite our relatives.
Hello, Grandpa!
Don't you know about COVID-19?
I know, but in one day nothing will happen.
No, we should not interact with people.
Oh my dearest kids, that is only about some hours.
In evening, relatives are at home. Kids has called their parents, but parents were in a hurry to book their returning flights. That's why I didn't pick up their call.
Hey father, congratulations.
Hey grandpa, congratulations.
Thank you, dear.
Reshma has symptoms of COVID-19. She was sneezing and coughing over again.
Hey auntie, are you okay? Yes dear. Did you meet a doctor? For what? Because you're sneezing and coughing. Okay dear, I will meet tomorrow then.
Let's cut a cake.
Art and shared dessert with each other. Next day, Jovel arrived and Meenakshi opened the door. She found her parents standing at the door.
Hello, Dad. Hello, Mom.
Hi, cutie. Where is your grandpa?
He is taking rest in his room. Yesterday, he met Aunt as well. We have celebrated his golden year.
Why didn't inform us?
We called you, but you didn't receive our call.
Oh dear. We were busy at that time.
Suddenly, Grandpa arrived there or said, I'm not feeling good. Immediately, father has called a doctor and sought for advice. Doctor has shared these information which are given below in case of COVID.
I'm sharing some basic information about COVID-19. Don't let him to interact with others. Keep his room clean and open windows for fresh air. getting taste after any little improvement on his health, serving vitamin, fruit and milk to balance his immunity system, help him to get ready for morning and evening work for some.
Oh no, it is school time. Good morning, Mom. I am ready for school. Simmi beta, very well. Where is Nazma? She always get up late for school every day. Didi, get up. It is school time. Just 2 minutes more. Simmi went to school, but Nazma did not go to school because of her laziness. Simmi beta, you come from school? Yes, Mom. Mom, today my teacher told me a very important thing. Very nice, beta. Mom, where is Didi? She is playing outside. Mom, if Didi will not study, then how she will pass her exam? I always understood her, but she don't listen. Simmi always study on time, but Nazma does not study. She always leave work for tomorrow. Mom, I am ready to take my result. Very good, beta. But tell Nazma to get ready to bring her result. Okay, Mom. Didi, get ready to bring your result. Wait 2 minutes. I am coming. After 2 minutes, Nazma get ready, and both of them went to school to get the result. They have going to school, and I am going to get gift for them. After 5 minutes, Mom and daughters are at home. Simmi is very happy, but Nazma is not happy. Mom, I came first in my class. And you, Nazma? Mom, I have got failed. Nazma, now you know that you should do your work on time. Yes, Mom, I realized that I should work on time. I got a gift for both of you. Take your gift. Thank you, our best Mom. We get this education from this play that we should not waste time. We have to do our work on time. We should not leave the work on tomorrow.
So let's see how addiction of technology can lead you to bring bad consequences in your life.
What are you doing, princess? Have your breakfast. Don't disturb me. Can't you see I'm playing game on a mobile phone? Please, you must have your breakfast. See, because of your failure. Go, let me play my game. Please, dear, don't use it too much on you are always on phone. It's my duty to explain my younger sister. It's she's doing wrong. And because of your eyes, they don't tell a lie. You're shouting me because you don't have it and you tell it that I have it. No, princess, I'm explaining because of your eyes. Nick, okay, I'm coming to our breakfast. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Wow, so bad. Dear, Doris, you go, my head is aching now. Is it taking too much? That's why I'm explaining you. Don't hear too loud. Now, please take rest. Let me bring some medicine for you. Stop, dear, taking because of you. Whenever I'm doing anything, you come and say. Don't play game, your eyes will go back. Don't listen to loud, your ears will go back. Nana, big girl, I know how to take care of myself. I know, dear, you can take care of yourself. But mom has headache and we need to go back. Don't listen to loud, your ears will go back. Nana, big girl, I know how to take care of myself. I know, dear, you can take care of yourself. But mom has headache and we need to help mom. Okay, I'm coming to help. Okay, I'm going. Mom has said me that take out the books that we have no useful for us. Wait a second. Wow, what a lovely notification on this game. This is not do it yourself, please. I can download and play this. Okay. This is mom's favorite book. That I love. That mom has loved. Wow, what a lovely game. I love this game. PUBG is very nice game. Princess, come let's have dinner. Dinner is ready. They bring it here. No, princess, since you are playing PUBG, you are alone in your room. Because of these mobiles, people have pocket time to spend time with families. And some older games, and hopscotch, Leftu, Cuckoo and Kabaddi, they are so loving. See, those old games are so boring. Don't tell me about those games. And why are you nobody do their questions. They can just write in Google questions and answer is ready, and they can copy and they can find meaning. They can see serials, movies, and they can play lovely games, and they can call people. I know, dear, phones are useful. We can talk from so far and many more things. But when we cannot use mobile phones for everything. In exam, you could not take your mobile with you. And at night when somebody uses mobile, they can't sleep properly and they can cause diseases like cancer, obesity, diabetes. Hey, don't scare me telling like this thing. I'm not going to scare. Understand? I'm not going to scare. Can't say anything. Nothing is clear. Everything is burned. Please, dear, don't cry. What? Get ready. We'll go to doctor. No, Dee. But why? When I can't see anything, by mistake, I call my friend Ajay, Dr. Ajay. He is eye specialist, no? Yeah. When I tell that by mistake I call her and I can't see, everything is blurry, then he said that my eye has gotten weak and I have to wear spectacles. Oh no, that's why I'm explaining you. Now promise me you will not use phones more than the limit. I promise you, I will not use phones more than the limit. And I will not watch TV from so close. And I will help family in work. I'm not busy all the time on phone. Sorry, Dee. No problem. You realize your mistake? Good girl. You will get fine soon. You will look cute in wings.